Hi everyone, I want to show you a video of a young piano student named Bella. Bella started piano lessons when she was 4 years old with a young 22-year-old piano teacher named Emma. Bella's young teacher taught her the music notes by using Wilbecks Easy Notes for about 5 minutes each lesson. And Bella's mum also bought an Easy Notes kit to have at home, so that made Bella's learning of the notes really strong. Knowing the notes enabled Bella to read the music in her piano books really easily, so she progressed really quickly. Emma would give her songs to practice at home, but Bella would always teach herself more songs by herself without Mum's help because she just enjoyed reading music and learning more songs. So in 1 year, Emma and Bella worked through 4.5 piano books. Alfred Prep Level A, Level B, Level C, Level D, and they got halfway through Piano Adventures Level 2B. At this point, Emma, Bella and her mum decided it might be good for Bella to try preparing for the Trinity Grade 1 piano exam. So I took over Bella's lessons a few months ago, and Bella will sit the Grade 1 exam in 2 months. Bella's been doing really good with the Grade 1 syllabus, and I think she'll do really well in the exam. Bella's finished both of the Easy Notes books now, and she knows 4 octaves of notes on the staff and how they connect to the piano really well. In this video, I want to show you how Bella knows those notes, 4 octaves, 31 notes, really well. She's got them. And I also want to show you her sight reading. For her exam, Bella will have to do sight reading, so every lesson we practice Grade 1 sight reading, and that's what I'm going to show you us doing at the end of this video. So let's go and watch 5-year-old Bella. Hi everybody, this is Bella. Bella is 5 years old and she's been learning piano for just over a year. We are just finishing the second Easy Notes book, so Bella knows 4 octaves of notes on the staff and how they connect to all the notes on the piano. So that's 31 notes. Because she knows all the notes so well, she's a really strong music reader and she's progressed really well. We're just going to show you today how she really knows all those 31 notes. So, okay, are you ready, Bella? Let's go. Wow, very good. Down to the bass, stuff down. Good girl. Wow. Good girl. Let's go way up as well. Think about it. Good girl. Hey, let's go down as well. What should we do? We'll do this one. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Just putting them up randomly here, this one. Play that one again, good girl. What about this one here? Whoops. On the line. Great. Left hand, keep going. Let's do right hand. You're really good at this, Bella. Right hand, this one. Get some more. This one. Oh, check it again, check it. Yeah, good girl, good girl. I've got to get these out of the way. This one. Good girl. This one. So this one here. Good girl. Great. Second space. Good girl. Great. Let's get left hand out again. Other hand. How about this one? Whoops. Same note, isn't it? This one. Great. Now I've got to start filling in the gaps. This one, left hand. Okay, let's fill in more gaps. Great. This one. Okay. Good. Okay, we need some ledger lines. You know what? Yeah, good. So, what else is missing? Oh, I found one, Bella. This one. You're so fast. Good girl. This one. Yeah. Yes. Okay, I'm going to have to get some more ledger lines. That's right. Okay, what are we missing? Let's start at the bottom and just see, make sure we've got everything. Ooh, I found one. This one here, left hand. Yes. I think we've got them all. Oh, I found one. This one here, Bella. Right hand can play that one on the top line. Yes. Oh my goodness, Bella, that is so good. This is actually the first time I've done this with Bella. Well done. That's just wonderful. Well done. Isn't that great? Yay! For Bella's grade 1, she has to do sight reading. So I'm going to give Bella number 7. She's never read this music before. Don't start playing yet. And you've got to play this one. MF, what does that mean? Loud, soft, or in the middle?
Middle.
Good. And then what happens here?
Quiet.
So I'm going to remind you about that. And look, you've got some notes together there. All right, so you ready? Don't go too fast. Ready, go. Down to soft, beautiful, and together. Let's just do that again and check that note there. Just do that last part. What's that note? Good girl. Long note. Awesome, awesome. So now we're going to do number 8. Positive thinking, and you're going to play loud, soft, or in the middle.
Middle.
And then when you get to this,
Loud.
yes, and I'm going to remind you, and you've got hands together there and hands together there, and go nice and slow, okay? Ready, go in the middle, long note. That's right. Long note, nice and loud. Good girl, together, long note. Whoa, that's... Shall we start with number 17? So 3, 4. MF. Together. And try that bar again. 3, 4. Good girl, very nice. Let's do jumping, number 20. So get your hands ready. 4 beats in each bar. Okay, so you're ready. And together. Yeah, it's okay. Good girl. Now soft. And together, find your notes. Good girl. Okay, nice, nice. So we're going to do strolling. Okay, so not too fast. Ready, go. 1, 2, soft. 1, 2. Wow, that was really awesome. Good girl. I love that something so complex, knowing all those notes and reading music, can be made so easy for beginner students, even ones as young as Bella. Through her teacher having used Wilbecks Easy Notes, reading music is easy and fun for Bella, and that's enabled her to progress at such a strong and healthy rate. If you want to find out more about Wilbecks Easy Notes, you can go to wilbecks.com. And if you want to learn how to use Easy Notes to create strong music readers, you can find out about my free course at musicreadersformula.com.